Humans, plants, and animals all need water in order to survive. There are many different ways to obtain water, but the most important one, and where water initially comes from, is called the water cycle. The water cycle is a process in which water is naturally circulated from Earth into the atmosphere and back to the Earth. There are 4 important steps that make up this process, and they are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. The first step of the water cycle is called evaporation. Evaporation occurs when the liquid from a body of water is heated up and turns into a water vapor, which is also known as a gas. From there, this water vapor condenses and forms clouds. This step is called condensation, and during this stage, the water vapor turns back into a liquid. The third step is called precipitation. During this stage, the water falls from the clouds as either a liquid or a solid, and temperature determines this. When it is hotter, the precipitation falls in the form of a liquid, and when it is colder, it falls in the form of a solid. Some examples of precipitation can include rain, snow, and hail. The final step of the water cycle is called collection. Collection occurs when the liquid or solid precipitation falls from the clouds to the ground. This water collects in oceans, seas, lakes, and other bodies of water. This water can even be absorbed in the ground to form underground water. From here, the process goes back to the first stage and is repeated in full through to step number 4 over and over again. In order for this cycle to be carried out, we have to have heat from the sun and also gravity. Otherwise, the water would not be able to fall from the sky.